Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Ashwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 17. I have already discussed 16 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched those videos, then please watch them and come back to this one because it would be much beneficial for you if you have watched them. Then it would be much easier to understand this lecture. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. After pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. If you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing Famewood Educational Hub. So let's start with the lecture number 17. Here, I am going to illustrate the address tag and the where tag. So here, the two new tags are going to be illustrated. The first one is the address tag and the second one is the where tag. Address tag is used to denote the address actually, and the where tag is used to denote the variable actually. These are the relevant tags, that is, the name is address, so we will use to represent the address here, and the name of the tag is var, that is variable. So whenever we want to use a variable, we will use the var tag to denote it, to store it even. Now let's check it out. Go to the code. Here, P for the paragraph tag is given. The HTML address element defines the contact information, author, owner of the document or article tag. This is the illustration. I've just given this illustration to understand this tag. So here, the address tag starts with the address tag and ends with the address tag itself. So here, we can write the address in whichever format we want to give. Here, I have used the VAR tag for the separation. So let's check it out on the web browser and how it is appearing on the browser. So here we are going to check the browser, Google Chrome, and lecture number 17. So here now you can see that this is the address element. This data is written in the address tag. So here you can see that it is appearing with italic and it is just giving the emphasize appearance because of the address tag. So this is the address. Now if we remove this br tag from here, I'm just removing the br tag from here and I'm saving the document and now just refreshing it. So you can see it is coming in the single line. So if you want everything to be in another line in separate lines, then you can simply use the br tag. But the use of address tag is to give the address. Whenever you want to write the address, it's much beneficial for you to write it within the address tag like this. Next comes to the next tag, which is var tag, that is variable tag. Here I just use a paragraph and then inside the paragraph I have used the var tag. Var tag stands for variable and I have just given a variable e. I am going to give a formula e equals to mc square. So here I have used this variable e equals to variable m into variable c, and as I know and as you all know that sub is the tag for giving the superscript. I have already discussed it in my previous lectures. I hope you have watched those lectures. So sup tag is used here to give the superscript, and now as you can see on the browser, Einstein wrote and then E equals to mc square. The difference which appeared here is that the formula E equals to mc square is appearing a bit italic, and this is because of the var tag. So you can just think of it that why aren't we giving the emphasize or the italic tag? That's it. The reason behind this is only that these are the relevant tags, and as we know very well that we should name the things, we should name the variables even with the relevant names which is resembling to the data. That is, whatever we are doing, the data should be, the name should be like that only. As I am going through the lecture 17, so I have saved this file with the name lecture 17. So that's it. The address tag is used for giving the addresses and the var tag is used for denoting the variables whenever we want to give the variables. So it would be much easier to understand whenever um, ourselves or another person is going through the code. So it would be much easier for them and for us also to understand it afterwards whenever we see or go through the code of our website or something. I hope this lecture was much interesting to you and you enjoyed it. I hope the content is much clear to you. If you are having any queries, then please drop your query in the comment box. Hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.